Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Little Curves, and today I'm gonna let you know how I make coffee. So let's get started. So the first ingredient to make a perfect cafe style coffee is obviously coffee, and I'm using this Bru Gold coffee which I personally like very much. Then milk. I'll be using approximately a 3/4 cup of milk, some sugar and some water also. This is only needed to blend the coffee. Now the process is very simple. I'm just taking a beaker for my hand blender. I'm putting a spoon of coffee, 1 spoon of sugar. I like my coffee medium bitter and medium sweet, and very little water only to blend the coffee. So it's something like this. Now I'll just blend it. As you can see, it has started to give some froth while blending. So now as you can see, my coffee, it has blended very nicely. See the size of froth. It has risen up very good. Next I will be adding milk. And then again I will blend it. And that's it. It's just so easy to make a coffee like this, a cafe style coffee, and you don't need any ice cream or any sweetener, nothing, only sugar, coffee and milk. So, and obviously one hand blender. You can also use a whisker also, but hand blender, it is more easy. For decoration, I am taking this chocolate sauce and I will decorate it like this. I will just pour it some on the side of the glass and it will flow downwards to make a design sort of thing. See. Now I will pour my coffee. Just the way I like it. So I hope you like this video. Just remember 2-3 points, that milk has some of its own sugar, and so add sugar according to it. And to blend the coffee and sugar together, use very little water. If you put extra water, then the froth will not come, it will be very liquidy. And if water is very less, then also froth will not come, it will be very thick, so it will not be that good. So the water proportion should be very accurate, and approximately I have put in 2 spoon of water. And I will tell you one more thing, that this recipe of coffee I didn't know before my marriage, and Khushbu taught me this, how to make this coffee, and after 5 years I've mastered it. I only always make the coffee and Khushbu never makes it, and I make better than Khushbu. That is the secret. That is why I'm sharing this coffee recipe with you all. It doesn't have any sugar syrup, only normal sugar. It doesn't have any ice cream, and it is as thick as coffee you will get in a cafe. So it is very nice, and believe me, once you make this, you are gonna thank me for this. So I hope you like this video, and do give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down if any more video you want from me. I only know how to make a coffee, and I also know how to make a good Maggie. So let me know if you want any another video. So bye.